Let's also find out what our chartists make of the markets. And we've got Kunal Bothra joining in right now. And Kunal, morning. Let's get in a take because it was a historic week from those all-time lows to that mammoth recovery that we saw play out. And now perched at 23,290. Who'd have thought?
Yeah, I think Friday's move, frankly, was a surprising move because I actually expected the index to remain into a bit of a consolidation at 23,000, 23,100 to remain as a resistance because of the slow pace of the index move, as well as the IVs dropping by and adjusting towards a lower level. I was frankly expecting 23,100 to be maybe a ceiling for the index, but it was a very strong move for the index, scaling past about 23,100 mark and then closing just near to that 23,300 levels, which is the all-time high zone for the index. Now, interestingly, what has also transpired is large cap names making a strong comeback, short covering, which is evident into many large cap names, and many of the beaten down larger cap stocks, the financial services sector, for example, many of the stocks within that space is seeing a breakout. So I think this market mood is also indicative that there are many underperforming sectors which are making a strong comeback, along with the previous performers which have been doing pretty well for themselves. The only change this time around is that the PSU index is still a bit lagging in terms of price catch up in this leg of rally compared to the previous market trend. So I think that's the only change this time around. With the index breaking past about 23,100, what now happens is that the resistance for the index now becomes a support. So which means now we are looking at 23,100 as a good intraday or a very short-term support for the Nifty.
Okay, let's find out those individual top trading recommendations as well. And Kunal, what is it that you're tracking?
So I'll go with Bajaj Finance as the first stock, and my sense is that, as I mentioned earlier, that many of these financial services names have made a very strong comeback. Bajaj Finance could be one of them. The stock is at the cusp of a very big breakout. It's almost like a 8-9 month consolidation breakout for Bajaj Finance. So would suggest a buy with a target of 7,500. Stop loss could be kept at 7,000 mark. And Godrej Properties is the other stock which has come back again quite strongly. The stock has managed to close, partially the gap which was created few trading sessions back for itself. So now I think it should be on the verge of a breakout of the previous highs. 3,000 could be kept as an immediate target. Stop loss at 2,800.
Okay.